Imagine you're 17 years old, you live on the countryside in a small village. Life is simple. Middle of the night, there's a bang on your front door. You're afraid, but you have no choice. On the other side of the door, there are 5 heavily armed men, all twice the size of your thin frame, who hasn't had proper food in weeks. The next thing you know, you're in a factory, who knows where, surrounded by people your age. You don't know anything except to work and work and work like a slave. All you do know is that this is because you're Uyghur. Because being an Uyghur in the eyes of the CPP is being a criminal. The Chinese government picking on Uyghurs because we're a flaw in their plan of world domination. It's always been this way. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel like it's going to change either. You still don't know anything. You don't know how long you've been here. You don't know how long you're going to be here. You don't know if your family's alive either. All you do know is that to stay alive, you have to work. Work in a small, unsanitary, inhumane factory. The government owns you at this point. Or at least it feels like it. If you listened carefully to what I just said a couple moments earlier, you would know that I was talking about modern age slavery. Ladies and gentlemen, the Declaration of Independence makes it so that slavery is legal. In 1776, 243 years ago. How come it's happening again? The last country to abolish slavery was Mauritania, 1981. 38 years ago. It's the 21st century. How come we're going backwards? Isn't life's purpose, as we've been taught, to move forwards and never look back? Well, not only are we looking backwards, we're moving backwards. No, we're running backwards. Innocent people being locked up. Innocent people being used as slaves. This coronavirus from China is no excuse to let the mass number of people who are going missing, who are being locked up, who are being mistreated go unnoticed. We must speak out.